Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be tackling a common problem that many of us face when using the command line. The issue at hand is related to mistyping grep commands, which can lead to a frustrating situation. So, picture this: you're trying to run a grep command to search for a specific string in your files, but you forget to include the asterisk wildcard at the end. What happens next is you're left stuck in a frozen state with a prompt staring back at you, and you're not quite sure how to escape it. It's a classic problem that can throw us off our rhythm. But fear not, we've got the solution coming right up. In situations like these, it's essential to understand what the command line is expecting from you. If you forget to include the asterisk, the prompt is waiting for input from standard input, stin, which essentially means it's waiting for you to provide some data. Now, to get out of this predicament, you can use Ctrl+D to mark the end of the input or Ctrl+C to stop any further actions. Remember, the prompt indicates that it's in a waiting state, so providing the necessary input or using the correct key combinations will help you break free from the frozen state. Additionally, if you're pasting text as input, using Ctrl+D will signify the end of the pasted text, allowing you to regain control of the command line. And there you have it, the solution to escaping the prompt and getting your command line back on track. Remember, being mindful of the commands you input and understanding the expected behavior in different scenarios can save you from getting stuck in these tricky situations. So, next time you find yourself in grep limbo, just remember these tips to navigate your way out smoothly. In summary, mastering the art of handling unexpected prompts in a command line can save you a lot of headaches. Whether it's a missing wildcard or an input waiting for stin, knowing how to respond effectively is key to maintaining your workflow. I hope this video has been helpful to you in understanding and resolving this common issue. Remember to subscribe for more tech tips, hit the like button if you found this video useful, and comment below with your favorite command line mishap. Until next time, happy coding!